We focus. Yeah.
Okay, I came from nothing, give me my respect. I'm all about a bag, got me thumbing through a check, counting money like a star.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, what's going on? I'd like to welcome you back to Focus Music Studios. It's your boy Chad Focus, and we're here today talking about some reviewed equipment. All right, guys, some things you're gonna need for your home studios. I like to come and talk to you guys about it, talk about how we use it in our own studios, and then I like to give you a link in the description. And you know what that is, we gotta pay the bills, all right? So look, guys, today we're talking about the Akai Professional Advanced.
These scars all on my fingers only come from counting checks. You wanna know about me? Just look up any struggle. The only difference is I had to
49. This right here is a production controller. Works plug and play, straight out the box, all right? Take this out, guys, you're able to start your production immediately. Whether it's Fruity Loop Studios, whether it's Logic or your Pro Tools, you're gonna connect this bad boy right up to your PC and get started. It has the drum kits, it has the syncs, it has the sounds. And this one right here comes with over 10,000 sounds from the complete software. So it's also included with your package. Guys, I know that you're doing production. I know that you're traveling. This right here could be a lightweight mobile controller that you can take wherever you go at, all right? Anybody that's into doing their own keys, anybody that's doing their own production, be sure to check out this Akai Professional, guys. It's really affordable. And right now, they are flying off the shelves all across the world, all right? So it's been your boy, Chad Focus. I've been out here and give you guys tips and pointers. You'll be seeing much more of me and my team, guys. And I will see you on the next video. God bless you and have a good night. Hey, how you doing today, guys? It's Chad Arrington here, and I'm super excited to be able to share my life story with you.
She don't wanna be played by playing no more. We focus. Yeah.
Okay, I came from nothing, give me my respect. I'm all about a bag, got me thumbing through a check, counting money like a star. I'm getting money. Okay, I'm out here trying to get it. Money is the mission. Stacks all in the passport, got the homies trying to visit like what's up. I'm getting money.
Looking in the mirror like what's next. It's time to take the steps. Achievements gain respect.